So now let's look at some examples of breakouts and breakdowns when the stock does have enough strength to get to the upside above the upper Bollinger Band, or if the bears are so strong that we fall below the lower Bollinger Band. Here is ACIA on the daily time frame. Fairly recent IPO, not a lot of previous price history, which means that the bulls, when they're strong, they can really run this stock. So we have a clear breakout above the upper Bollinger Band, strong close. This level is now support, and we're going to stay in breakout mode as long as that level stays as support. So another strong day, we consolidate, we bounce off that upper Bollinger Band because it's now support as we are trading above it, and we see a very strong move. Powerful move. We went from $75 up to $105, essentially a 60% move in 5 days, and that is a very clear breakout to the upside, riding the upper Bollinger Band as support because we closed above it. Now, conversely, we can see a very strong breakdown, and that's what we've got here on Tesla, and we lost the lower Bollinger Band as support. We closed below it, and now it's driving the price to the downside. We even had a bullish reversal candlestick here mixed in, and we closed right below it, could not get above it, and then it drove the price down further. So we're in free fall here on Tesla, big time dump, and that lower Bollinger Band is acting as resistance on the downside. And another example here coming to mind, SCTY this week. Another big dump, losing that lower Bollinger Band to support. It's driving the price down. And on Friday here, we did see a bullish reaction. You can see the upper wick. The price got all the way up to 1950 above that lower Bollinger Band middle way through the day, but could not close above it. And then by the end of the day, the bears took back over, drove the price to the downside. So that's a very key resistance level to keep an eye on, and clearly signaling a dump when the price loses that support and then continues to the downside below it, and a clear breakout and big move to the upside when it acts as support. So now let's get a look at some of these indicators and how we can use them on the charts to better time our entries and exits.